Alright guys, so today I'm going to be making some buffalo chicken nuggets, buffalo boneless chicken wings, if you want to call it that. So these are all my ingredients. I got some all-purpose, some oil, breadcrumbs, some buffalo wing sauce, some cornstarch, some salt, flour, use a little bit of hot pepper sauce, and some egg. Alright, so I'm going to portion everything out and let you see how everything is portioned. Alright guys, so everything else we need: salt, cornstarch, all-purpose seasoning, breadcrumbs, egg, flour, and your chicken. So let's get right into it, guys. Alright, first thing you're going to do, guys, is make sure there's no excess water. You want to get the chicken as dry as you possibly can. Alright, we're going to add our all-purpose seasoning, a pinch of salt, then we're going to add our cornstarch. Alright, go ahead and fold it in. Then we're going to go ahead and add it some wing sauce, buffalo sauce. Just going to go ahead and fold it in. Oh yeah, I already smell that spiciness. Then now we're going to go ahead and add some flour. Just a little bit to coat it. Alright, a little bit more. Alright, you're gradually going to add the whole thing, but just adding a little at a time. Alright, now you could just go ahead and add it just for give it a quick toss. Alright, make sure that it's not wet. You want this to be dry. Just add the rest of the flour. Alright, put these aside. Now you're just gonna fluff this to make sure that you get everything like this, where everything is evenly coated and no excess wetness. You want it to be dry. Alright, so now you have that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna dip each piece in your egg wash, then in your panko, then fry. Alright, I'm going to separate all of these and I'll come right back. Alright, so this is what you're looking for, guys. See, nice cold chickens. Then we have some breadcrumbs, and we have some egg wash. What we're going to do, we're going to get each piece. Alright, let me grab my tongs for this part. We're just going to grab the chicken, dip it in the egg, straight in the panko, cover both sides. Then we're going to set this aside. And you just repeat the process. Egg wash, panko, set that aside. Alright guys, so now that you got these, we're going to fry these, deep fry these until they're nice golden brown and cooked all the way through. Alright, let's go. Alright, so your oil is ready. We're going to go ahead and just place these in. Alright, I'm just going to let those cook. 3 minutes on each side, I would suggest. Or just cook them on all the way through. If they're completely submerged in the oil, you could just leave them. But I like to rotate them to make sure each side get a nice crisp. Alright, so I'll come back when it's time to flip these. Alright guys, now these are nice golden brown, ready to be rotated. Oh yeah, almost there, guys. Alright guys, now these are ready. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove these from the fire and coat these in some buffalo sauce. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do, we're going to add our tenders in here, chicken, and we're just going to coat these with some more for our buffalo sauce. And to top it off, depending on how the tolerance is, you're going to add some my favorite pepper sauce. Alright, now we're going to give us a quick jingle. And this is spicy. We're ready to plate, guys. Alright, so guys, I'm going to start off this one with some mixed greens. Get some mixed greens on there, no specific order. Act as a cushion for your chicken. Let me get our chicken as place or a chicken on top of that. This is spicy, guys. You can smell it.